Guys, what's up? This is Booking Bronco with another Booksy Biz tutorial. So today we are going to be looking into promotions. So when I say promotions, I'm talking about a promotion, a special offer, a discount. I think it's referred to in various ways depending on where you're looking at it, but the overall idea is always going to be the same. It's going to be to offer some type of discount on your services. So that being said, as always, full disclosure, I am a full-time employee of Booksy, but this YouTube channel is my own personal project and is not affiliated with or sponsored by Booksy. So the views and opinions I express here are strictly my own and do not reflect the positions, views, or opinions of Booksy. Okay, guys, so first off, let me show you why you're going to want to turn on promotions, because I think that once you understand why, besides the basic reasons, maybe you just do want to offer services, but there's reasons besides that why you want to offer them, besides just offering a discount. So I'm going to pull up the web here, and do you see, once again, I don't know any of these guys. As always, if I use examples, I never know them. So this is just giving me examples in Tallahassee, and you see how this guy has this blue marker here that says save up to 10%. That's really going to be one of the main reasons why we want to turn on promotions, is because it's going to give us this blue marker here. Let's go. Same here with this one, Bishop, save up to 10%. So anytime you turn on a promotion of some sort, it's going to give you this blue mark, even if it's something that's not very big. In this guy's case, 10%. So keep that in mind. That's one of the big reasons we're going to want to use promotions, is because it's a very cost-effective way to draw attention to your profile. So that being said, I will circle back around to that at the end, but for now I'm going to show you how to turn on promotions and the different types of promotions. So let's see if I can keep it under 10 minutes today. We're here inside of marketing, guys. So before we used to go to profile, we're actually going to go to marketing here at the bottom, little megaphone icon, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. I always like to explain this bottom to top. So you're going to go here down to where it says promotions, and then sometimes if you've never turned a promotion on, it will ask you to create promotions. You can just click create. It's not going to activate anything. This is just to get you to the next page. And that's why you see here it says promotions, discount, special pricing, generate business with new and returning clients. These features will help. So I just click create promotion, and you're going to see 4 different options in here. I'm going to go into flash sale first. All of the options follow the same format. So you're always going to see flash. You're going to see the title at the top first. This one's flash sale. You're going to see a little bit of information about the sale and how it's generally used, promote a new service, special location, blah, blah, blah. And then you're going to see applied to all services. So with all of the promotions, you're always going to be able to control which services the discount is applied to. So you don't have to apply to all of them. I can select all, or I could say, hey, I'm just going to offer the beard just on kids. I'm just going to leave it set as select all, and that's why it says applied to all services. But you always have the ability to manipulate that by individual services, if you maybe just want to offer it on some services. Then here you're going to see the amount of the discount itself, very straightforward. It's just going to be a set percent. 10% is what it does come by default. So you will see often a lot of services for 10%, but you could offer it down all the way to 1%. I guess theoretically up to 100%, but probably not going to make a lot of money that way. And then when we're coming down here, guys, this is something I do see people get confused on sometimes. So whenever you see the sale period, this is if you want to activate it immediately. So if you see sale period, this is going to be, let's say 14 days. That's why it says next 14 days, and that's until May 11th. So this is the option, and it's an either or. So you don't have to make sure that the booking dates to qualify line up. If you have this turned on, you don't need to worry about these. Versus if you want to have specific dates, let's say I want to offer it from May 5th to May 10th. That's where you're going to make use of these booking dates to qualify. So these do not need to match. This is just an either or. You can either say, hey, I want to start it right now and do it for the next 30 days. Or I can say, hey, I just want to offer it 2 weeks from now for a few days, something like that. So this is an either or option. The first one, sale period, is if you want to activate it right away. The second one, booking dates to qualify, is if you want to offer it over a set period of time. And then when you do click start promotion, it's going to say flash sale started. So you're good. It's turned on. And then it's going to give you 2 options. One is going to be send a message. So this is what actually take us down the flow for a text and email marketing campaign or marketing blast. That is going to be the next video in the series. And sharing on social media, that would take us down the social media marketing pathway, which will be 2 videos for now. So I'm not going to touch on this for now. If you are watching this video and you're curious, hopefully by the time you're watching it, I will have those videos out. You can go watch those videos, but needless to say, it's very straightforward. Send the message. It's going to give you a text message template telling people you are running a sale. Share on social media will give you a social media friendly template that you can share. I do recommend making use of these, but those will be separate videos. So I'm not going to do anything today. I'm just going to click close out, and then you're going to see that the flash sale is now running. It's active. So in the interest of time, I'm going to keep on going, guys. Now that you understood the first one, the rest of these, like I said, they always follow the same format. So you have the title, you have the information of how it's generally used. Last minute, I actually like this definition. If you have a last minute opening or a break in your day that you want to fill, maybe someone canceled, you can give your clients a deal and encourage them to book. Once again, apply to all services or whichever services you want, how much of the last minute discount, and then the booking window. In this case, it's different from the flash sale. The flash sale is very easy. In this case, it's just going to be able to be offered 1 to 4 hours before the appointment start time, because the purpose of the last minute discount is a little bit different. It's only to offer discounts to people at the last minute. So this is one that can be useful, that maybe is a little bit more dynamic to turn on or off, but I would say it's probably the least commonly used in my experience. So I'm not going to turn that one on. And then we're going to come down here to the last one. So you see happy hours and premium hours. These function the same way, but in reverse. So happy hours, this is the same way, like if you've ever been to a bar and they offer discounts on beer during their slower times, let's say it's like before 6, I'd say is a pretty common happy hour. You can do the same. So all you have to do is go in and select a day. I'm going to say, I'm not going to do Friday. That's not a good example. So like Tuesday is often a slow time for people in the beauty industry. And I could say, hey, I'm going to offer a 10% discount from 10 to 12. Boom. So 10% discount from 10 to 12. Once again, same applied to all services. And then it does give you the option to copy settings applied to other days. See, I'm going to click start promotion and I'm going to apply it to Wednesday too. So once again, happy hours active have begun. Same idea, send the message or share on social media. I'm going to head and close out of that. And then once again, you can see that Tuesday, Wednesday running 10%, 10 to 12 right there. And if I back out, you're going to see happy hours is now running. So generally happy hours, that's going to be to incentivize people to come in during your slow times, offer discounts to get people in during your slow times. Premium hours is the opposite. So let's say Friday, Saturday are your busy times. You could go in here and say, hey, I'm going to say Friday from 2 to, let's say 4 o'clock. I want to offer, increase by 10%. So you're going to charge a premium, hence premium hours. You're going to charge a premium during that times. And then same idea. I can copy settings, apply to other days. I'm going to do the same thing for Saturday, since that's going to be a pretty normal thing. So now you can see I've got flash sale running, happy hours running, and premium hours running as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. The promotions are really just that straightforward. I highly recommend taking advantage of these. Generally, for happy hours, this is going to help bring more people in. Premium hours, I would say, is for people with a more established clientele, where it's to the point where people are maybe actually fighting for those more convenient times. That's when you could take advantage of premium hours. So happy hours, really good. Flash sale, also really good. Premium hours, if you have established clientele already that are kind of fighting for those more convenient times, that can be useful. But that's pretty much it, guys. Relatively straightforward in terms of the promotions. I want to jump back into the marketplace again, just to show you exactly what I'm talking about here. So you can see this guy has his promotion running, which is great. I'm going to go into this guy's profile and then let's actually see. So you can see, let's see. Okay, so you can tell he's only selected these to offer a discount on. That's why you don't see the save up to 10%. And then it is going to depend on what time is booked. So I can actually go in here and I'll be able to tell which service he has turned on based on when it's offered. So I actually went and looked in here early. It looks like it's offered up to 6 o'clock. So let me go to tomorrow and it looks like, oh yeah, so 1 until 6. So he has probably a happy hours turned on from 1 to 6. I can tell that because it's based around time. So I'm just going to discard that, get out of here. And that's pretty much it, guys. Definitely don't need to dwell too long on that. But just remember, these are going to get you that blue mark, which is going to help attract more attention to your profile, hopefully without sacrificing too much of your revenue. Like I said, 5 to 10%, you're still going to get that blue mark. So be taking advantage of that, guys. If you got use out of this video, please like and subscribe. That does help me out. And then if you are considering subscribing to Booksy Biz, you can use my referral link in the description below to get 50% off your first 2 months. Other than that, guys, appreciate your time. See you on the next one.